So we're going to get some noodles. Berapa?
10.
10.
Yeah,
10,000 for one, so that's really good. What flavour do you want? I like the
Merah.
merah. And satu. Makasih. Kamu cantik. Yeah. She's so cute. Oh.
Kacang goreng.
Apa ini?
Kacang goreng.
Pina.
Ya, pina.
Berapa? 10.
Yeah.
Everything 10.
Yeah.
Do you want some peanuts?
Yeah, let's get some peanuts.
Okay, cool.
Terima kasih. Sama-sama. What a vibe this is.
Got our noodles, this incredible view. There's not many people, so it's quite chilled. This place was definitely worth the drive, I think. We're going to stay here for as long as possible so we don't have to drive back soon. Enak, salamat makan.